If I may just add, um, this is a specifically different year for all of us in the sense that students and reviewees were given, well, this is unprecedented, so much time on their hands. So now, I'm sure you have mixed emotions tungkol dyan. Mayroong mga natutuwa kasi may mga, alam mo namang ayaw ka mag-aral. Meron din naman mga nadismaya, may mga na-disappoint because of the postponement of the board exam. But then again, andyan na yan eh. Diba? It's already there and that's what we've been given. Kumbaga yan na yung cards na na-deal sa atin eh. So how do we play with it? Siguro, now that you have so much time on your hands before the next board exam, use it to your advantage. And kasi ang danger dyan, number one, you might be led into complacency. Baka mamaya eh, because you think you have so much time. You think you have so much time, wala ka nang gagawin for so long. And before you know it, time has run out. That's one danger. No? And the second danger is because you have so much time, maraming magbabago, marami kang malilimutan. You have lost your momentum. You have lost your, kumbaga, you have forgotten the crucial things which you have previously learned. Kasi nalipasan ng panahon eh. So those are the two dangers that you have, or those are the two circumstances, new circumstances you have to deal with. So, but then again, as I said, it's already there. So that's why we have started, or we decided to initiate this project. Siguro ito na rin yung contribution namin. I mean, we're this is our own initiative. We're not getting, kumbaga, at the moment we're not getting anything out of it, but we just want to help. We just want to address what's in front of us. So kung may matutulong sa mga estudyante, sa mga reviewees, I mean, the resources are there. We're trying to put in as much as we can. So if you have time, please feel free to go to the channel, go over the contents, and we'll be uploading more as the days go by. No? And siguro if I may add also dun sa mga tips na na-mention ni Sir RJ kanina, if I may also add, now that you have so much time on your hands, use it. Because one keyword that I can share with you is repetition. No, repetition. If I may share, when I was reviewing for the board exams myself, I made my own notes. And again, following the cue from Sir RJ kanina, my notes were based or were patterned from the 4 board subjects. During my time, 5 board subjects, but nevertheless, it was still patterned after the board subjects. So make your own review, or if you can, make your own review based on the board subjects. And in addition to that, after I have reviewed, I went over past, or I mean, may mga review questions din naman, which you can easily access. I went over the review questions, practiced answering those questions. If I remember correctly, I did it 7 times for all subjects. So repetition is key for me in my case. No, it helps you with your learning. It helps you with your retention. So now that you have so much time on your hands, why not use it to your advantage? Samantalahin niyo yun. May oras kayo eh. Kasi I understand some of you may choose to work in the meantime. There's nothing wrong with that. Some of you are really still, or really can't concentrate, really are not in the mood to study. And we also understand that, given na hindi rin naman normal yung conditions ngayong panahon na to. But if you can, kung kaya lang din naman, huwag niyong bibitawan, or still continue studying kahit paunti-unti, kahit just a few hours a day, just so you won't lose momentum and just so you won't forget the things that you have already learned while you were in school. And for those who are still in school and who are yet to go on their 4th year, you will soon be taking up your review classes. And I suggest before you do, keep this in mind already. So as you go along your review classes, you already prepare the materials in the way or in the mindset of a future reviewee. So kumbaga hindi masasayang yung effort niyo, yung paghahanda ninyo for your review class, magagamit nyo na rin o yun na rin yung paghahanda ninyo bilang reviewee o bilang naghahanda naman sa CPLE. So then again, yeah, basically there's no substitute for effort, there's no substitute for your own review. Put in the hours, put in the work, and I'm sure your efforts will not go to waste. It will not go unrewarded. Okay?
Yes.
So there you have it. Siguro we